guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create a kid's profile on Netflix. So you're just going to select the manage profiles on the account center here, and then you're going to add a profile. You're going to name it whatever you want. Maybe it is your kid's name. I'm just going to type in kids. Then you're going to enable the kids profile like settings, so it will only see kid-friendly TV shows and movies. Once you're done, you're just going to press save, and it looks like this. Let me just go back to Netflix. This is what the kids profile looks like. So as you can see, every movie and TV show is kid-friendly. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.